welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and I couldn't wait for you to see, well, I think you saw it already, just right behind me, my Hollywood style vanity. I am so pleased with the result of how I did my vanity. It's just so perfect and it's cute. I know it's small, but it's enough for me. So the reason why I want to update my vanity, it's because I've been in this apartment for 3 years and I didn't do anything. Like, I just put a mirror and then I put the table, the same table, but I changed it. And then that's it. I really didn't do anything extra about it because I know I'm gonna be moving, but I wasn't expecting that I'll be staying here for 3 years. But I might be moving again after 3 months. We'll see. We'll see. I'm just waiting for some opportunities, so we'll see. In Dubai, people move places from another apartment to this apartment, from this area to another area, another town, frequently, crazy frequently. Like, I know some people move in a year 5 times. I wanted to create something that I could bring with me wherever I go. So everything that you can see here, I could easily snatch it and take it with me onto my next journey. To see more of how I did the Hollywood style vanity, please keep watching. First, I want to say I'm sorry for showing you this ugly ass vanity area of mine. I've been here for 3 years and that's why I need to change things. I did a makeover, a major makeover. So I just wanted to explain you what happened here. Well, obviously, this is a low budget construction project. I was trying to pull out the mirror, the same mirror. So there's 2 mirrors. I tried to pull it out so that I could do the Hollywood style vanity mirror, and this is what happened. So, and then of course the second problem that I have is the bathroom table that turned into a vanity. A lot of stains, a lot of scratches. Okay, I thought of a solution. I'm going to cover the entire top table with marble sticker. That way I could preserve its beauty and hope it's gonna last a lifetime. And also I'm planning to put here a stand where I could put like my lotion, my perfume, and you know, like every day that I put on my face to make me beautiful, and a rose decor that I did for DIY. Yeah, so far that's it. That's really it, and I'm gonna make it extra beautiful but low budget. I'm gonna stop talking and start working. Because I move a lot, I think it would be smart that I would stick into a color scheme, and I've decided to go for black and white. My main concern is the mirror. I found mirrors from IKEA that are within my budget, however, it's not light, or it's worst is out of stock. So it took me a week actually to think, where would I get this wood? And I came up with this idea to use an artist canvas. I just stick the mirror using a glue and install the lights around it, and it came out so pretty. You know what? Let me give you a grand tour. Come on. So let me give you a closer look to my vanity and explain further. I got this mirror from one of the furniture store. This is brand new. I actually prefer the one with lights, but it's more expensive, so I went with this, and I'm very much happy. I don't need the lights because I already have these vanity lights from Amazon. And this is another DIY of mine. This is my existing roses, and she's just, I actually put the rose with, I don't know what's this, carnation. I actually combined the rose with these flowers, but the rose doesn't want to be a friend. She always stands out, so I think I thought of, okay, I'll give you your own place. So I gave her a makeover. Both hooks fell off when I attached this. I don't know what's this. It's quite heavy actually. Yeah, I actually intended to buy the bigger hooks, hoping that it will work for this because it's quite heavy. So this is my skincare and other essentials. It's
it's actually quite heavy. So what I did, because it fell off, I applied shoe glue. I'm not sure if I could attach it now. It might be still wet. I think it's been an hour. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Okay, let's go back here. This is my beautiful table marble. Another DIY. So DIY, DIY, DIY. 3 DIYs. Oh, this is the 4th too. This is from pink and I turned it to a color black because as I've said, I'm going for a white and black color. I came up with a solution to cover the holes on the wall. So I'll be using the marble sticker just to hide the first or the lower hole. And then on top, I'm going to cover it with the plaid decor frame. And this actually works, but I don't have the battery yet. This is a cute tea light candle. It's electric, it's not real. What else? Also, I want to tell you that this wallpaper is water resistant. Let me show you. It makes the cleaning easier. So it's so much better. Yeah. It's so easy to clean. Okay, yeah. And it's glossy. That's what's the most important. I have a dedicated video for the DIYs that I did here. The table, how to install the wallpaper on the table. Yeah. And then the vanity mirror, how to install the lights, how I stick the mirror onto the canvas, and how to make this beautiful plant decor in a frame. I will link it down below in the description box, so please check it out. Since you're already here, you might as well want to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys next time.